Welcome to Bucktail Falls. The young daredevil is out after the waterfalls. Well, Kiddo's got his camera out. Hubby's got his camera out. I've got to go wrestle mine from the back of the car. I put it back in the trunk, which doesn't always work. It opened at home, but it won't open now. How'd you do, bud? You show us what you got? Let's see. That's not too bad. Would you like somebody to teach you how to make it look silky smooth? Alright, maybe we'll work on that today.
What I like to do is scout the compositions and then pick the best one. I try not to be too picky.
Looks like we had one of the big old trees come down. Well, let's go get the camera. Well, there might be a composition for you. So I just angled the camera so you see all the sky up here? I don't want that in the photo. So I angled it down. It's about like that. Only in portrait mode here on the big camera. And got that for a photo. I'm gonna move it around a little bit and see what other compositions I might be able to get. Right. Let's see. Nope. So I want to be able to have the waterfall in there. Alright, let's see. What do we get? There we go. It's about 1 second. Let's try 1/8 of a second. There, I think that's a little better, a little cleaner. There's with just a little bit of the woods in the sky above. Alright, I'm going to change position. Looks like the guys are leaving or finding other compositions. They were doing a lot of bunch photography while I struggled to change the heads on my tripod. So, let's see what else I can find. If this shot doesn't exemplify the power of water, it's been a year or two since we were last here, but all these logs, they weren't here before. So we've had quite a bit of rain last few years, And I can only imagine some of them fell from up here. See, that's probably where one of these come from. And then some probably came right up from off that and tossed over. For this next shot, I've got a lower down perspective. And I'm using this rock and this piece of log so it's leading lines up to the waterfall. So I'll take one or two more shots like that. And go look for another perspective. Though I do feel, I'm not sure if it's mist from the waterfall or if it is starting to rain. How goes the photography, sir?
Good.
Bucktail Falls. It's one of my favorites. It's fairly roadside, easy to get to, and just beautiful. I mean, you see all these towering rock walls and the water pouring down, and I just love all the lichen that's growing on it. Speaking of, like and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. So, thank you for following along. And let's see what else we can do today. He's setting up the shot. Whoa. Taking a dangerous climb up the shale. What is this wild photographer going to do next? They're like a pride of lions stalking their prey. Just kidding. I'm sure he's capturing something fabulous. Or they. You see the little one in the background. Making the adjustments. Taking the shot. Nope, still adjusting. Here's the view of the waterfall from the road. Really pretty little place. I love all the little the bits of greenery. Okay. I always love the side view too. This is pretty interesting. So let me spin you around here in a moment, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so there's the walls, and here we come around. We got this nice corner. You see some water dripping, but I've never actually seen a flow coming off that corner. But then we come over here. Now, isn't this gorgeous? Look at how it cascades, comes flying off the wall, but you have all this space here, and we've got tons of beautiful green lichen growing off the walls. It comes back down into the little creek bed, flows away. Just a beautiful little corner of the earth. I've often been curious if there's more waterfalls further above, or what the creek bed is like. But I think that's private ground, private property, so we'll just admire what we can. Oh, what a gorgeous space. So did you enjoy Bucktail Falls?
As always, yes.
How about you, bud?
Yeah, I got shots of everything, literally. And most of them looked good. Some were kind of, I had to delete.
I deleted all mine that I needed to delete, so I shouldn't be, in editing I shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, I've got to go back through and delete my bloopers. I had a few where I thought there was something wrong with the camera, but I was just like way underexposed. So, thank you for joining us here at Bucktail Falls. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. And be sure to like and subscribe. So
Hit the notification bell.
bye for now.